almost 5% increase in price. Yes, 4.50 increase in price today. Terra Classic price today pumped almost 5% increase in price today. Wow, and in fact, over 500 billion coins of Terra Classic have been traded today, which is about 360 million with $360 million market cap. Yes, Luna was able to hit about 500 billion coins that have been traded. Now for me, I'm still seeing some kind of hope, because since Terra Classic pumping to almost 5% increase in price, I think whatever that must have pushed Terra Classic to hit almost 5% increase in price, they need to really work on that. I mean, because I was surprised to see that even some coins out have been trading on red, including Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin today was trading with red, about a 1% drop in price, and most coins also be trading on red. But Terra Classic was able to hit 5% increase in price. I think this is from the effect of Binance, and as about 2 days, Binance burning Terra Classic coin, and it has really helped Terra Classic. But I still know that in the next 3 or 4 days, the effect of this latest burning will drop, and Terra Classic will continue to drop in price on the market value, and of course in the market volume. But if they can capitalize on this, and then they can also bring out with so many ideas on how to burn more coins, maybe we might see Terra Classic reaching 10 to 15 or 20% increase in price in a single day. Now imagine Terra Classic destroying 10 billion or 20 billion coins in just 1 week or 1 month. It shows that there is hope that Luna can recover, Luna can bounce back, with Binance burning just almost 796, yes, almost 796 million. And you see, Luna was able to hit 5% increase in price from that effect. Well, let's hope and see how it goes. But please remember, like I said, we also do different kind of videos here on our channel on how you can make good financial money online. You can check our channel, or you can click on the playlist Make Money Online. Definitely you will see different videos on how to earn money online for free, and also companies that are helping people, companies that are giving people financial assistance, who have been creating this video. So you can go and watch this video, but remember to subscribe, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos.